Welcome back to Crypto Talk, everybody. So let's run down a few things with you here on Bitcoin and the overall market. Not much has changed. Literally, we've been range bound since the last video I made. Just wanted to give a quick rundown of what I'm looking for currently speaking. I'm looking for a flush of this pocket here. So this is about 94,300 is kind of what I'm looking for. I will put some alarms here as well. You guys should probably do the same thing. I will put one probably in the middle of this order block right there. Let's do once per bar close. If you do once per minute, it's going to ping you every 30 seconds. And if you ask my wife, you'll find that it's quite annoying, especially at 3 o'clock in the morning. Question mark long. So bullish overall. We got a nice, we could bounce here. It's possible. Who knows? So Saturday is usually the big mover day. I still think we're going to have one more push down. You can also see on the 15-minute, we're starting to form like a falling channel. You can fix these how you like, but these are usually quite bullish. Let's not use the top. Let's use this one here. It's kind of an artwork, but they kind of do hold up based on how you draw them. That wick to that wick, and the more touches you get, the more confluence you have in terms of what's going to hold. So it's possible we come back down one more time. We get what I call a capitulation fake out wick, where it just completely dumps down, and then you have a massive buyback up, and then it starts to run. So that's what I'm looking for on Bitcoin. Not much else to talk about. Not much else has changed. Moving on. So Trump coin, I'm watching for that same thing to happen here. We already dumped. So we could have, we may have just missed it. A back test and hold of the support resistance flip, inverse head and shoulders pattern playing out. This tends to dump with Bitcoin, but as you see in my moving averages here, we're starting to converge. About to flip again. So this may not be a good spot to layer in for low leverage long. After this stream, I'll look into that. But see the yellow X's, you got a lot of manipulation the entire way down. Now you have a lot to take away on the way up. So let's look at that in a second. By the way, this is the 1 minute, so let's just zoom out a little bit for you. I do make all of my entries on the 1 minute. We did not put a lower low in, so we've done the job. We've literally taken out all stops below above this lower wick. We're holding the value area low, and also we tagged the 886, which Asia loves to tag. So if we're going to bounce, we're going to bounce here. We could get one more back test, then push up. Internally, we're very bearish. Externally, we're still technically bullish. But on a meme coin like Trump, it doesn't always mean anything, so you need to be careful. So I always watch this in confluence of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is looking bullish and we're at a spot here in Trump coin or Melania coin that I think we're going to bounce, then I'll take the risk there, but always put your stop losses in place. Speaking of Melania coin, it's actually finally more bullish, I think, than Trump coin. This thing just finally found a bottom, I think. Complete dumping Rooney. So right now you've got a double bottom forming. You're holding these. Yeah, and you got a nice 2-hour bull div formed here. Decreasing price action, increasing money flow, increasing momentum, increasing RSIs, and increasing VWAP. You are still below some key moving averages, so I'll check this one out. You're not going to print a green buy signal until we're up back above this 156. So we are so far down. So all people gave up on this coin. This is what you want to do. You want to find coins like this that still have promise they gave up on. This is a beautiful chart, actually. I'll see if Trump looks any prettier on the 2-hour. No, not even close. Melania, I actually may just forget about trading Trump, trade Melania. Melania is on most exchanges. You can trade this on spot, and you can trade this on leverage. Rune coin is just being dumped to oblivion. I forget what happened. There's something on their chain where someone said something, or I don't know, there was a outage or something happened where this thing just fell off the face of the earth. something negative came out and it just absolutely avalanched. In like a 2-day period of time, went from like $7 or $8 down to $1. So you're down a lot. And you have the dreaded McDonald's, which is not what you want to see. But it does go back to 2021. So, I mean, this could just be the capitulation. You're getting everybody out. You pretty much almost retouched the bear market low. So, if you believe in this project, this is a good time to dollar cost average back into it. Definitely could see a $30 rune. If it gets its act together, this could just be a V-shaped recovery. It's a lot to look at here, though. And I think I told you I tried trading this on like 10x leverage, and it is brutal. Price swings are so volatile. Kind of a scary coin to trade. Made some good money, but there were some hairy situations. So you got to know what you're doing. Money flow is starting to turn up. So this may be one to watch here in the next day or two. If the market starts to move, rune's going to bounce. Very bearish market structure, but still macro. We're still bullish. So you could do what you want with that. I'm going to actually bought some Jasmine just a second ago. So I bought some Jasmine now, and I also have limit orders set in the 1932 range below this wick low. And I've also got it right down here at this red line, which I think we could wick down and touch. So if we continue being bearish, I'm going to get a capitulation wick, hopefully hit both my new limit orders down in here. For spot, and then wick back up. This is the 786 on the macro perspective, coming in at 14.95. I think I have my limit set at 14.95, and roughly 19.19 is kind of what I set it at. This is for Coinbase. Band protocol, hold on, keep praying. We're getting there. Remember, this entire time we're going through right now is meant to shake you out. It's meant to make you sell. It's not, they don't want you buying anymore. Band has set an all-time low, it looks like it. A new all-time low. 2 week. Yep. But you got a massive bull div forming. So if this wick continues to move up, this prints a green dot on the weekly, you're going to have a heck of a bull div. This entire time you had rounding. So this is definitely a very bullish market structure. You had an SFP, you're back above the previous low. So it's actually not as bad as it originally looked. One day. Yeah, we're okay. But this is the, if you don't have any, buy some now. Not financial advice. If you wanted some, this is the time to get it. Solana. Good time to buy as well. You wicked into the zone. You could wick down one more time for a double bottom, but this would be a good time to start DCing into that. Again, I said Solana could be a $2,000, $1,500 coin by the end of this bull run. What else we have? Sui. I have a bag of Sui as well. I think unfortunately my average buy price is like $4. It's sitting at $3 right now. So it might be a good time to buy some more. I think Sui is going to do exactly what Solana did last market cycle. So went from what, $6 or $8 up to 150. Can't promise with this one, but I could see $30 to $50. Yeah, I think 36 is my short-term target. So that's not a bad return. Yearly VWAP is what I'm looking here. If you lose this level here, you're going to cascade down to like the 190 level. And I am holding. Funds are limited on mine at the moment, but I would just DCA at this point in time. Otherwise, just hold your bags, trade your small trading portfolio, and find other ways to make money. You can buy more crypto. I actually may sell some more gold and silver this weekend. I need some more crypto. Things are coming. Avalanche, very bullish on Avalanche overall. Still love this project, love the coin, love the community. Love the fact that banks like them. Bank of America and Citibank both trust them and use them for their blockchain needs. So yeah, I will get some more of this. I am proud to tell you last time I bought it was down around $8, so sitting pretty. I will buy some more if it comes back down there, but I doubt we'll get below $17. Now, that would be a gift. Right now, it looks like you're gonna. Yeah, you could come back to a little more, but it looks like we're gonna trigger whip and bounce here on the weekly for most coins. KDAO, another good time to buy. Just hasn't moved. You always want to buy projects that are forgotten about. So this is one people have sold out on, completely dumped it, and then this is where you can buy millions and millions of coins for next to nothing. So $50 could probably give you the same amount of coins that I bought for several $100 higher up. So take advantage of that. Caspa, same thing. This isn't going anywhere. This is a proof of work coin. This is a lot like Bitcoin, but has a lot better tech, believe it or not. Do the research on that before you shoot me. Bitcoin serves its purpose. But yeah, do your research. This is a nice rounding pattern. We've technically could come back down to 5 cents, but I hope not. I think you're just going to see a capitulation like last time. You're just going to 8 months ago, where you're just going to have a flash crash and everything, and this is going to completely rum to a new all-time high within 2 days. So that's what I'm thinking. H-bar. Same look. Definitely a distribution pattern. Yeah, this is kind of a bearish look, guys, for this one. H-bar, not looking pretty. If I was going to trade this long term or on leverage, I'm looking for scalp shorts. You just broke market structure a lot, actually. So if you do bounce up, I'm looking for a rejection. So when you see something like this, you lose this entire market structure here. That's a bearish confirmation. So the next bounce up, you're looking for it to come up and get rejection and then come back down. That's where you want to enter. So, sorry, this one doesn't look that pretty. I think it's a good dead cat bounce and roll back over. Now, it could be that Bitcoin takes off and the whole market changes again, but based on the time being, just regular market structure is going to trump that. Casper, the ghost, still holding up after getting beat down. Yep. So you're holding this key level so far. Hopefully you hold that 10-cent level. If you're looking to buy, great time to buy for dollar cost average. Ethereum, talked about it today, and one of our Patreon users on one of his talks today. Beautiful cup and handle pattern. It doesn't get prettier than this. I mean, look at the wick on that thing. Complete suck up. And look at the wicks on the bottom of each candle. Each candle is becoming extremely bought up. So as you've seen with the Trump, World Liberty Finance, they have their largest positions in Ethereum. And a lot of other people are following suit, along with the Ethereum ETFs, are just sucking up Ethereum off the market. So this will easily, in my opinion, be that $16,000 plus price target by the end of the year. And then for record, that is roughly, and by the way, it'll probably be completely unusable from a gas fee perspective, but it's a 500% move for Ethereum. It's a lot. So eject another $1 or $2 trillion into Ethereum. I think Ethereum's only 800 billion right now, so more than double its market cap. Yeah, you're going to see some really crazy price action. So, not much to talk about here. Nothing on the CME. Let's go to this one. We do have a confirmed red dot on the monthly for market Cipher B. But I have a feeling this is going to get bought back up and turn to a green candle. And this is just going to waver on up even more. But we'll see. We shall see. You can see how this one started as a hammer candle and then pushed up and then got bought back down. This one is a hammer candle, currently speaking. So if this month ends like this candle, it could swing back down, but we'll have to wait and see. Hammers usually swing the other way. So long handle swings up, short handle swings down. Not always the same, but curious to see how the month goes. You still have really heavy money flow. And this red dot has almost 21 days left. So we got a lot of time left. Let's see. Tether dominance, where are we? We peaked again. Oh, this is the US dollar. The US dollar is getting a double top finally, hopefully. Yep, looks like it. We peaked out at 108. The whole point, if people don't understand economics, the Trump terrorists are trying to decrease the dollar value. You want to increase the rest of the world's buying power so they could buy our goods. Yes, it makes our goods coming into the country more expensive, but you need to increase the supply coming in to decrease inflation. That's one of the only ways to do it. And then you can work on getting interest rates lower, and then that'll bring things back into kind of rhythm. In the meantime, things have been expensive since COVID, so I don't see that changing anytime soon. So keep that in mind. It's not going to be an immediate band-aid or fix. Tether dominance. Big spike with this dump recently. So I expect this to roll back over the next couple of weeks. So no rush there. So guys, I see it between a 1 and 3 week period of nothing. So this could bounce this weekend and go to a new all-time high, or we just range sideways for a whole nother couple of weeks. So use your patience. We'll leave you with the Bitcoin chart. We're kind of fighting at the moment. So I could see one more swing down, even the wick lower, and then push back up. So with that said, Fusio has some more announcements coming up. I will give you guys some more information, and I'll do a legitimate Fusio introductory video once I have the permission to do so. If you want to get into the Fusio pre-sale, please DM me. I've had a couple of you already do that, so thank you. I've sent that information out to you. And that's it. I'm tired. So nothing to say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me? Head to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter, the Blackguard Discord, Patreon for some private one-on-one coaching. I've got a few of you in there, so thank you. I am there to help you, so you dictate what needs to be done there, and I will help you the best I can. Make you a proficient trader and understand how the markets work. Love you guys. Thanks. Bye.